And now I have the accumulator tank. It's a 2-gallon tank, part number 1ET2G12F, made by Pro Water Parts. It has a 1.5 inch female NPT threaded fitting on this side. So the coming out of the water pump, it's going to go into a T, and then it's going to go into here and then continue further out. So this is an expansion tank that will help the pump, so the pump doesn't have to turn on so often. It fills up 2 gallons of water here, pressurized, and then uses that. And then once it uses it and drops below a certain pressure, which can be adjusted over here, then the pump kicks on. I had to put some washers there. I'm just using some wood screws that I have here. Two more left. And what I'm doing now is I'm adding this piece of 2x6 as a support, further to support, so it doesn't rely on the 4 legs over there. So I'm just going to use this screwdriver with replaceable bits. Oh yeah. That's not going anywhere. Solid. All of this will be covered, so hidden but accessible. What we have here is some hardware to connect, some fittings to connect the accumulator tank and to add it to the system. Because this connector here in the accumulator tank is stainless steel, I got all these stainless steel fittings so that to reduce chances of galvanic corrosion when you have two dissimilar metals touching each other. For other things I'm using brass fittings. So I have two of these 1/2 inch male threaded NPT nipples. I have 2 of those. And then I have this female T 1/2 inch threaded NPT female. And then I have a male threaded 1/2 inch NPT 2 PEX 1/2 inch adapter. So I use some PTFE tape and threaded this on, and now I gotta do the same and put it on the accumulator tank. Alright, it's facing up because I'm going to filters over here. There's the set of water coming in over here. Goes through the strainer, into the pump, through the silencing kit, check valve, fills up the expansion tank, this accumulator tank, goes up, hits this check valve, can't go out where the city water comes in, and then goes around here, goes into the filter, first stage 5 microns, second stage 0.5 micron, third stage is the microorganism filter, comes out of there, goes down, splits over here, goes into the water heater, the other side goes into the cold water for shower and sinks, and then hot water coming out of here of the water heater goes into the sinks and shower.